Hi, I'm Suzanne Rico. IVF Advantage is the only multi-cycle discounted IVF program for patients, by patients. What does that mean? It means the people behind this program, people like me, have all been on the infertility journey, and we know how daunting and confusing it can be. That's why we've tried to make IVF Advantage as straightforward and easy to understand as possible. And while it's possible you may qualify for one of the other discount programs, chances are you won't. IVF Advantage doesn't offer a refund guarantee because we, the women behind the product, wouldn't have qualified.
Women over 38, not usually eligible for a refund guarantee. Women with failed cycles, nope. Body mass index above 37, history of miscarriage, FSH above 10, probably not going to happen. And you better have a normal uterine cavity and your husband a normal semen analysis if you want to have a chance of making the cut.
With a traditional refund program, people are selected who can more easily get pregnant so that the refund guarantee never even comes into play. We're not the first ones to offer a multi-cycle discount program, but we think we're the best. And as the only program out there for patients, by patients, we feel IVF Advantage offers the most hope to the most people.
If you'd like to find out if your doctor is a member of our network or you need help selecting a physician, please call us at 855-996-SAVE. That's 855-996-7283.